limits of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you guys are new here. So today I am taking you back, you guys. I used to do cleaning videos on my main channel at Home with Shoshana, and I will link that channel down below if you have not yet seen it. But I used to do cleaning videos on that channel, and so I figured I wanted to just kind of give you guys some spring inspiration. I know it is still winter, you guys, and it is cold and dreary and white outside. Lots of snow and ice. And so I wanted to give you guys a nice spring cleaning inspiration. And so today I'm kind of all over the place in my home. I am in my daughter's room. I am doing laundry. I am in my room. We are all over cleaning today. So we're going to get it all done as much as we possibly can. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video and gain some inspiration from it as well. So this is my daughter's old bedroom. And I'm cleaning it now because, y'all, she ran out, went to school, and the clothes are just everywhere. By the way, these are clean clothes. So she didn't get a chance to put her clothes away. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for her so that when she gets home, her room will be nice and clean and ready for her. Normally she does clean her room, but my daughter's in so many different sports activities and extracurricular activities and all the things. So when she gets home, she is exhausted. So in the mornings, everything is kind of chaotic. She's a girl. She's looking for clothes. It's all over the place. So y'all, no judgments. And if you have kids and your daughter is like this, hey, hey girl, hey. So I'm going to go ahead and make her bed and put all her clothes away and, you know, get this room cleaned up.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
So now we are in my old bedroom, and looking back at this, you guys, I'm feeling so nostalgic, and I'm just like, I miss my old room. I miss my old furniture. But that was years ago. Oh my goodness. I think that was COVID season. And so now anyway, I am in here, and I was actually in the process of giving this bedroom a makeover. And thrifting all of my furniture pieces. So this room definitely went through a major transformation, but now I am just making the bed and cleaning up. And as you can see, my piles of laundry is still in the same spot as it is now, you guys. I do have a cleaning video coming for you guys, and it's so much laundry. It's absolutely insane. But I just needed to have a video up for you guys because I did not get to film a video for you. So I just figured, let me just throw some oldie but goodie videos back up in here for you guys. So, and you're gonna get a lot of throwback videos from me because I have tons of cleaning content. So y'all just hold fast to your seats, okay? Because they're coming. But now I am doing what I do best and fold laundry, which is one of my least favorite tasks. I love to do laundry. I just don't like to fold it and put it away. So that is what I am doing now.
Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
You guys, I feel like laundry is a never-ending task. Like, no matter how much you try to tackle it and clean it and get your laundry room clean and emptied, and I feel like it's a never-ending task. The clothes doesn't stop, and it just, wow. y'all, my laundry room is always full. We're a family of 5. I have a child that has special needs that soils daily, and so my laundry room is always full. Always. So welcome to my life. But hopefully you guys got some laundry motivation to do your laundry, you guys. Get it done because it piles up if you don't. But thank you guys so much for watching and for being with me today. I hope that you guys are inspired, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. See you next time. Bye.